it will all end up in amazement. There is no doubt that right now is the time that a lot of people in the entire world are going through a time of disappointment. Maybe today was a time of disappointment, even for you as you are listening to me right now. But I know it is also disappointing for some folks who have lost jobs and they worried about their lost jobs. I know that it is difficult for people who are sick or those who their family members are sick and those who they are afraid of being sick. I know that all those things can bring frustration and disappointment. But right now, what I want to do is to encourage you not to give up. Don't give in. I want you to know today that in time of this intense pain, there is someone that cares for you deeply. I want you to remember that this pain will not last for long, because your jubilation will come, and with Jesus, joy will follow your suffering. It will all end up in amazement. Just be close to Jesus, because being close to Jesus is how you turn disappointment into joy. That is the one thing no one can steal from us. It is our relationship with Christ. That is the key. The key is being close to Jesus in every situation. I want you to believe, because at the end, you will find good in losing that job. You will find good in that sickness. You will find good in your abandonment. Because in all things, God works all things for the good of those who love the Lord. It is not that all things are good, but God can make good from all of them. God can take disappointing things and make them into something of joy. It will all end up in amazement.